Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a contact on your WhatsApp web. So let's dive into it. To add a new contact on WhatsApp web, you'll need to download an extension. First, you need to search in your Google Chrome Web Store, then open it. Once there, you need to search InTouch app. Click on the InTouch app for contacts and data saver, and then you need add this extension to your browser. Add extension. Once it's installed, you need to also to install this extension to your phone. You can download it in Google Play Store or App Store, whenever your phone is. Once the extension is installed, refresh your WhatsApp web page. When everything is set up, you can add a new contact on WhatsApp app. Click on the plus icon right here. Then you need to choose Add New Contact. Here we can enter contact details such as name, how do you know them, contact number, etc. etc. So when you do that, click Save and Chat, and everything will be set up. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.